Today I'd like to speak to you about buying a new build, a home that hasn't been built yet, and sometimes it's the model homes that are available. So you go to see the builder, or you might go see a few builders with your real estate agent. And why do you need to go with your real estate agent? Because the real estate agent represents you, and the salespeople at the builders represent the builder, right? So they're trying to sell these units. And there's usually a big board in the middle of the room of the sales office, and they'll show you which lots have been sold, which one are on hold, and which one are available. So then you pick one and you look and you say, geez, I really don't want to be backing onto a park, or I don't want to be backing onto a bus route, or I don't want to be on a corner. So you ask the salesperson, do you have any other lots available? And they usually say, not at this moment, and we don't know when the other ones will be released. So you either choose one of them, or you come back another time, or you go to another builder. The other thing is when you visit the model homes, they're gorgeous. The crown molding, the fireplace, the hardwood floors, the furniture, everything is beautiful. Everything goes together, and you see yourself living there. But don't forget, when you buy the house, it's the basic house with the carpeting, and it doesn't have the crown molding, and it certainly won't have the beautiful furniture. You have to imagine your furniture in that house, right? Sometimes for a quick closing, the builders will offer you a bonus of a certain amount of dollars, and you go to their office and select the items that you would like a backsplash in the kitchen, or maybe a granite counter, or instead of carpeting, you'd want hardwood flooring, that type of thing. But before you make that final decision, check the prices out at Rona or Home Depot to find out what the cost would be out there compared to what the builder is offering you. Because for pot lights, you might be surprised how much a builder charges and how much an electrician charges. So check things out. Become educated about those things. So for more information, get in touch with me at 613-858-1151, or you can text me. Thanks.